What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Honor 7X and the Samsung Galaxy A7 2K17. And let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The Huawei Honor 7X is having the 4GB of RAM and it is running on the Kirin 659 processor and it is the octa-core model, and the Samsung Galaxy A7 is having 3GB of RAM and it is running on Exynos 7880. And you can see that there is no app running in the background in both the devices, and both the devices are connected to the same internet connection. And let's start the stopwatch in both the devices and right away start over speed test. And in the first round we usually do the speed test comparison between both the devices by opening the same set of applications in both the devices, and we will note the time taken by each device and we will compare it at the end that which device has completed the first round first. And in the second round we usually do the RAM management test of both the devices. Actually both the devices are great, so let's proceed to the speed test. And you can see the Huawei Honor 7X is actually going very fast and the animations on the A7 are actually slower, that's why it's taking time. The Honor 7X is now retrieving the clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both the devices. The Samsung Galaxy A7 is trying to catch up with the Huawei Honor 7X by retrieving the clip of same length of 10 seconds, but the Huawei Honor 7X is actually moving very fast and it is opening the applications at a very faster rate. You can see it is now on the Temple Run 2 and everything is just going fast and perfect on this device. Actually the animations on the A7 are slower, that's why it's taking too much time to load each and every application. You can see it is now on the Temple Run 2 and the Honor 7X has moved forward to the color switch and it is now on the pinout. Actually at the end of this test I have kept 4 games, you can see that, and one is heavy game, the Asphalt 8. Actually I wanted to test the performance of both the devices. These will tell us that how is the RAM management of both the devices. And you can see the Honor 7X is just about to finish the first round and we are on the color switch on the A7, and Honor 7X has completed the test in 1 minute and 38 seconds and A7 is on Asphalt 8 right now and it is taking a lot of time to complete the first round. Actually the optimization of the software is not very well, so every application is actually taking a lot of time. Processor is actually great, it is the same processor which was used in Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge and the S6, the Exynos 7880, but astonishingly it is not well optimized to these devices, that's why it is taking a lot of time. And let us now see how much time it has taken on the A7, and you can see it has completed the first round in 2 minutes and 9 seconds. That is a huge difference of almost 30 seconds in both the devices. So now let's move to the next round, which is the RAM management test on both the devices, and you can see the Honor 7X is actually doing great. And let us also start the test on A7 and see if the RAM management is great or not on both the devices. Up till now the Honor 7X has kept everything in the background, so 4GB of RAM on this device is actually sufficient for this device to keep all the things in the background. So you can see the A7 has actually kept all the things up till now running in the background. The Honor 7X is just about to finish the test and we are on the final application, the Asphalt 8, and let's see how much time it has taken to complete the second round. And it has completed the second round in 2 minutes and 16 seconds. We are also about to finish the test on the A7. We are near to the final applications and we are on the Temple Run 2, and you can see it is loading again. This application is loading again on this device, and that is not good to see by this device. And you can see clearly that how good the things were optimized on the 7X, and 4GB of RAM did great on this device. Actually this device is a lot cheaper than the A7 2K17, and there is a huge difference now between both the devices. And now we are on the pinout on the A7. It is on the same place where we left it, so let's move to the final application, which is the Asphalt 8, and let's see if it is running in the background or not. Actually this game is loading again, that is very sad to see for this device. This was some high mid-range device. Actually you have to pay a lot for this device. And now let's see the time taken by this device, and you can see it has completed the test in 3 minutes and 31 seconds, which is almost 1 minute and 15 seconds more than the Honor 7X. So the clear winner here is the Honor 7X. Things are very greatly optimized to this device. This device has impressed me a lot. This is the early 2K18 device and things are so well optimized and great on this device. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.